Ever searched something on TikTok and wished you could clear it all at once? You are in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I am going to show you easiest way to delete your entire TikTok search history in just a few simple steps. Let's get started together. First, take your phone and open the TikTok app and make sure you are using the latest version. Also log into your current account. After that, look at the bottom menu bar. Here you can see various options. Look for the profile tab, click to open the profile page. After the profile page is open, look for the top right corner. Here you can see the 3 lines hamburger menu icon. Simply tap to open it. After this is open, look for the settings and privacy option appear. Click on them. Once you are in the settings and privacy page, scroll down a little. Here you can see various options. Look for the content and display section. Under the activity center option, tap on it. After the activity center page, find the search history option. Click on them. Here you can see all of the search history listed there. If you decide to clear all TikTok search history at once, don't worry, this is available. To do that, simply tap on the select button at the top. After that, tap on the select all search history at the bottom left corner. Once you have selected all of them search history, click the delete all button, then confirm by tapping delete again. And that's it. Easily clear all TikTok search history at one time. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped, please liking this video, also subscribe my channel and enable notification bell icon for more simple tech tutorials and useful TikTok tips.